All right, today we're gonna be taking a look at these vacuum seal bags. Now I went with the largest pack. This is gonna come with 18 total bags. It's gonna be 6 of the 24-inch, 6 of the 28-inch, and then 6 of the 30-inch. And there are so many bags in here. This is great for anyone that's looking to travel and maybe you don't wanna bring a check-in, or maybe you wanna just bring a lot of extra stuff with you. Then these things are an absolute game changer. I pretty much always vacuum seal all of my clothes every single time I travel now because it's so much easier. Plus you have everything organized in their own individual thing. You could also utilize this for storing things away in the closet, things that are seasonal, like blankets, jackets, anything bulky like that. Now let's go ahead and get this one going. So you can see I've got my clothes in here already. I folded everything nice and neat so it doesn't get wrinkled. Then it comes with these little clips. So these little tiny clips are super helpful because you don't have to use your finger to close it up. So you just snap it onto the end like that. You're gonna pull this, and this is gonna close all the way across. That's it, now we're done. We're gonna take our vacuum, open up this piece here, put our vacuum on top, hold the button down, and it's gonna start vacuuming. So let's watch the magic. Okay, and we're done. We can pop this off, turn it off, and you can see, look how thin this is. This is crazy how much air you could actually get pulled out of clothes. Then you can put your cap right on top and you're good to go. So if you're looking for some vacuum bags that are gonna help you cut down on the size that's gonna be going into your luggage, or you wanna store stuff away, these are literally the best ones on Amazon. You can see it comes with the pump and that is rechargeable. Plus, look at all these clothes in here that we could fit nice and easy. So if you're looking for a set of vacuum bags, these are the ones I would recommend.